This looks so scary. I tell you. ये रात में किसी के ऊपर फेंक दो डर जाएगा वो इंसान.
Hi guys, welcome back to Moa YouTube channel. फ्रेंड्स की बच्ची की होगी मुझे नहीं पता, बट दिस इज़ अ रियली स्पेशल वीडियो. एंड जिन लोगों को पता नहीं है, मेरा बर्थडे आने वाला है. टेक्निकली कल है. जनरली क्या होता है, बर्थडेज पे लोग हमें गिफ्ट देते हैं, हम स्पेशल फील करते हैं एंड एट्सेट्रा एट्सेट्रा एट्सेट्रा. अगर आपके दोस्त नहीं होते मेरी तरह तो कोई आपको स्पेशल नहीं फील कराता. बट दिस बर्थडे आई थॉट कि वाई नॉट आई गिव समथिंग टू समवन. And as a result of which I have decided that I am going to donate my hair. जिन लोगों को नहीं पता मेरी तरह, लाइक मेरे को भी नहीं पता था, that you can actually donate your hair. And ये जो hair यूज़ होता है विग्स बनाने के लिए for cancer patients and ऐसे बहुत सारे लोगों के hormonal issues होते हैं जिनके बाल झड़ जाते हैं. So especially for them, these hairs are used to make wigs. तो मैं बहुत दिनों से डिलेमा में थी, मैं क्या करूँ, मैं बाल काटूँ ना काटूँ. बट एज सुन एज आई गॉट टू नो कि यू कैन एक्चुअली डोनेट योर हेयर, आई वॉज 200% श्योर कि ओके दिस इज समथिंग विच आई विल डू, विच आई हैव टू डू. तो या सो बेसिकली टुडे आई एम गोइंग फॉर माई हेयर कट एंड आई बी प्रोवाइडिंग ऑल द डिटेल्स इन दिस वीडियो. अगर आपको भी करना है ये चीज़, because I feel hair is something, you know, it will not cost you anything technically. You're giving something which you'll get back again with time. So it's basically that. And being someone, you know, who has lost a family member to cancer, and you know, it's really difficult. You know, जब हमारे normally ऐसे बाल झड़ते हैं, we think कि oh my god क्या हो रहा है, and imagine somebody losing every bit of it. So yeah, this is going to be my birthday gift to somebody, and it's my little effort of putting a smile on somebody's face. So let's get started with it. So we have reached the place. मैं सृष्टि का वेट कर रही हूँ, वो पता नहीं कब आएगी. So yeah, आ गई महारानी. ये बहुत अमीरों वाले जगह पे आ गई हूँ मैं आज. सब इन्फिनिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स हो रहा है मुझे अभी. We are at Head on Us today, and Yash is going to do my hair. Hi Yash. And so let's see what he has planned up for me.
We have something exciting for Nishmita.
Yeah.
And within an hour, you will see a drastic change.
Okay, let's start with it then. I was telling my mother also. Please also. My mother has this much hair.
I'm sure you have told your mother that you're going short,
Yeah.
because I don't want to traumatize her.
No.
Tonight.
She was okay with the whole idea. I was telling her also, you have so long, you can also give in 5 inches.
Guys, I'm still wearing my raincoat. We are measuring her hair. She has long hair.
This is 12. It's not 3 inches, 15 inches.
Okay.
Yes, yeah. Straight photo is there.
मेरा पूरा डॉक्यूमेंट दे दो ना.
Maybe like
Your thick hair is going to break. Jesus.
Bye bye यार. It was a lovely time.
Here, Anushmita.
Bye कर दो.
Bye. Bye, guys. मोटा बाल है तुम्हारा.
ऐसा लग रहा
You
है
have good dense hair, huh?
मम्मी.
Oh my god, and here we have it. Here we have it. Here we have hair from Anushmita.
And it's so light. ऐसा लग रहा है सिर से बोझ निकल रहा है।
This looks so scary. I tell you. ये रात में किसी के ऊपर फेंक दो डर जाएगा वो इंसान. Hey, this already looks like a bob. Okay, now we are going for a shampoo thing because
The best part.
ऐसा लग रहा है तुमको कोई सुपर पावर दे रहा है. Anushmita just had a surgery.
ब्रेन सर्जरी साड़ी में ऐसे मैं स्लो मोशन नहीं बना पाऊंगी.
क्यों? छोटे बैंक से बनाना.
बैंक के साथ स्लो मोशन बनाऊंगी. बीच में बात करना रिकॉर्ड मेमोरी खत्म हो जाएगा मेरा.
तो मेरा बच्चे की तरह से इसको ये करो. छोड़े हेयर के बाल. Anushmita is going to stay like this for next 30 minutes. Statue. So they call it lawn by the pool, and it's after almost 1.30 minutes of chopping we have got this. It's the most satisfying part, guys. You get to do this. Chada dada dada dada. Oh, why do you look like a mannequin? It's night. We came here, we started when it was like sunlight outside. Now it's night. And Anushmita is looking like a paintbrush. You actually look like a round paintbrush. Round paintbrush. You just got to know that it's not Anushmita's hair, it's actually Yash's hair. Yeah, we are checking the final look. And Yash likes what he has done. It's pretty pleased.
This is the final look. Yash, you're happy with your work?
Definitely.
And I'm also super happy. Okay. Hi, so basically they are now coming to take my hair. So I'll just pack it a little bit nicely ताकि in the process कुछ खराब ना हो जाए. So here we are, this beauty hair. Ta-da! खुल रहा है अभी ये. So I'll just give it a nice thing and I'll done. It's ready and they're going to send a person to collect it and भैया लेके चला गया. Bye bye hair. गॉन हो गया मेरे, मतलब लेके चले गया अभी. It feels good. Okay, so it's gone and I hope it reaches someone pretty soon. And for this process you can donate, like the minimum length is like 10 inches, 10 to 12, and I donated 15 inches. And you can't actually give in colored hair like blue or orange, वैसे hairs नहीं चलते. Natural black, brown चलेंगे, and your hair texture can be anything, straight, wavy, curly, anything works. Better details the organizations can provide you. I am attaching the links of the NGOs which I could figure out, Calcutta based and also not Calcutta based, तो देख लेना, and also the place from where I got my hair done. And अगर ये वीडियो देख के एक इंसान भी ये इनिशिएटिव ले to donate their hair, I would feel really really thankful. And yeah, because you know at the end it will not cost you anything, वापस आ जाएंगे कुछ टाइम बाद. So but your one gesture can mean so much to somebody else. So basically that's the whole thing. And even if you can't give your own hair, make sure you share this video to at least spread the awareness. If you know somebody who's about to get a haircut, इतना लंबा लेंथ का, suppose 10 or 12 inches, make sure you tell them about this thing, that they can instead, you know, giving the hair to the salon or the parlor, they can actually donate it to somebody and it can be used to help somebody. So make people aware, the least you can do. So thank you so much for watching this vlog or video, and please let me know how is my new look looking. अभी मेरे को validation चाहिए बहुत ज़्यादा, तो please. Okay guys, see you in the next video. और कल मेरा birthday है and I'll be turning 26. Anyway guys, it was lovely talking to you. Bye bye.